Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I'm here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom's flagship location in Thornton, Colorado, and I'm going to be testing some cleaners for stainless steel. I tested 5 different items here. I have a couple household cleaners, Lysol and 401, Windex, and then a couple dedicated stainless steel cleaners. I gave them all a chance to see which one's going to give me the best results, and I think the results are going to surprise you. Stay tuned. My first choice here, Lysol. It's not a dedicated stainless steel cleaner. Let's see how it does. You can see here that it really does a great job cleaning, and it doesn't really leave any streaks. I know it's a little hard to see on camera, but there's a decent shine. So I would say this is not a bad choice for stainless steel cleaner, particularly if you have a lot of sticky fingers. This is a great choice. Something similar, 409. When I tried this, what I found was that it doesn't leave as much of a shine as the other cleaner, but it does a good job cleaning, but I find that it leaves a little bit, it kind of evaporates to the point where I see some streaking. So although it's got good sanitizing properties and things like that, I definitely see streaking, and I don't think it's as good of a choice as the other one. Windex, I know it's for glass, but how's it going to do on stainless? Let's take a look here. I see a nice shine, and it's really doing a good job of wiping everything down. However, pretty dramatic streaking, but what I notice is as it dries, the streaking goes away. So I think it does a good job, but it leaves really no shine. It almost kind of polishes off any of the surface that might have been there. So I think this does a little bit better than the 409, but maybe not as good as the Lysol. Now, when I tested the Wyman stainless steel wipes, what I noticed was that you get a beautiful shine. It doesn't lift as much dirt off, so I definitely find for best results, I wipe it down with a cleaner like a 409 or the Lysol, and then I go back over it with one of these wipes. Now, with the wipe, when you initially start the wipe down, it's really wet, and then as you kind of use the towel up, it becomes less wet. So I find you have to go over it a couple of times, and you get a beautiful shine with 0 streaks. However, if you leave it on too thick and you have a dusty environment, the dust might stick to your refrigerator. I noticed that when I tested this at my house as well. So I think this offers the best shine. However, it's the most work to apply, and it works best on an already clean surface. My top choice is Ecocentia, and I love this finish and the shine. It's really easy to apply. And I find that if you use a lint-free towel, I'm using this yellow lint-free rag that I only use for stainless steel, I get 2 things. I get a really nice streak-free finish and a really nice subtle shine. And also what I find is that it does a good job of lifting any dirt. So if you have the sticky fingers, sometimes you get them on the inside of the handles. Just a little spray here, you give it a nice go. And it really gives you a beautiful shine, and you can see the grain, and I know it might be hard to see on the camera, but the grain really lifts out. Also eco-friendly, biodegradable, all of those kind of things. And in my experimenting, what I discovered was if you have a lint-free towel and use it only for cleaning your stainless steel, that kind of keeps the grease off of it for polishing. So I just kind of leave these 2 in the corner of my pantry at home when I need a quick shine. I find this to be the quickest, it has the least chemical feel, and really I think checks all the boxes. So my choice, Ecocentia, I think this does a great job. You can pick it up, I've seen it in a lot of stores. I know Appliance Factory happens to carry it as well, and this would be my top choice, but make sure you're pairing it with a lint-free towel for best results. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I want you to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for tuning in.